How to log into AOL Mail account. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how to log into your AOL Mail account. In order to log into your AOL Mail account, first of all, make sure that you have already registered or that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in. So then, to begin with, open up a browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in www.mail.aol.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. This is going to take you to the official webpage of AOL Mail, and this is how the interface is going to look like. If you don't have an account, click on Start for free and register for AOL Mail account. However, if you already have an account, click on the login button located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Enter in your credential, that includes entering either username, email or mobile number, and once you're done entering all of these information, click on the next button right at the bottom, and then you'll be asked to enter in your password associated with your AOL Mail account. And as soon as you're done entering your password, you'll be logged into your account. So basically that is how you can log into your AOL Mail account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.